it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we'll be making origami egg holders. So with Easter coming along, of course one of my biggest pet peeves is having like the egg sort of like roll over and not knowing what to do with it while it dries. So that's when this origami egg holder is going to come in handy. But before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. We have a lot of crafty fun here all year round, so I hope you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell right next to it to be alerted of new videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the origami egg holder, you're going to need one sheet of paper. This is 6 inches by 6 inches or around 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. It's also double-sided, which is really nice and gives a nice variation to the egg holder, but you can also use a single-sided sheet of paper as well. The first thing you want to do is to fold the entire thing in half. And then fold it in half again. Unfold. Rotate so that the opening is facing down or towards you, and then fold the right side to the vertical center crease. Repeat the same thing on the left side. And then unfold the flaps. Now we're going to take this side over here and stick our finger right into this opening and then flatten with our opposite hand. And you'll see a triangle shape form at the very top. And then do the same thing on this side. So open it up with your finger and flatten with your opposite hand. Now you want to take this flap and fold it back, and then fold the left one back as well. Next, take this bottom left-hand corner and the top flap only and fold it diagonally like this to form a little triangle. Do the same thing on this side. So we're going to take this bottom right-hand corner and fold it diagonally to form a triangle. Flip it around and do the same thing on this side. So take this flap, fold it diagonally to create a triangle, and just do the same thing here. Now take the flap and fold it straight up, flip it around, and do the same thing on this side. Now you see how the double-sided origami paper gives such a nice contrast to these two colors. I really love that. Now, anyway, you're going to rotate it, stick your hand into this opening, or your finger, and then you're going to pop the middle in, like this. Now depending on the type of paper that you're using, it might wrinkle a little bit, but that's okay. And you are completely done with the egg holder, so now we're just going to take our little egg, place it right on top, and voila! Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around until the very end of the video. Bonus points for you. One of these days I'm going to figure out what these bonus points actually mean. But anyway, you get bonus points. If you're new to my channel and you like that, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also a notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out. Leave your comments below letting me know what your favorite Easter candy is. I actually really like jelly beans, but only the cherry ones. If you're looking for something else to do, I also have a paper carrot box that you can go check out. I'll link that in the video description along with some other things, and I will see you next time. Bye!